To send money from Venmo to Zelle, you need to follow a few simple steps. First, make sure you have the Venmo and Zelle apps installed on your mobile device. If you do not have the Zelle app, you can also access Zelle through your bank's mobile app, as Zelle is often integrated with many major banks. Start by opening the Venmo app and selecting the option to transfer funds to your bank account. You can do this by tapping the menu icon, then selecting Transfer to Bank. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. The funds will typically take 1 to 3 business days to appear in your bank account, although you can pay a small fee for an instant transfer. Once the funds are in your bank account, open the Zelle app or your bank's mobile app and select the option to send money with Zelle. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile number and the amount you want to send. Review the transaction details and confirm the payment. The recipient will typically receive the funds within minutes, as long as they have already enrolled with Zelle. It is essential to note that you cannot directly send money from Venmo to Zelle, as Venmo and Zelle are two separate services with different functionalities. However, by transferring funds from Venmo to your bank account and then using Zelle to send the money, you can effectively move funds from Venmo to Zelle. Be aware of any transfer limits or fees associated with both services, and always verify the recipient's information before sending money.